This bitter leaf egusi soup is so rich, easy to make, and absolutely delicious. So for this recipe, I'm using beef. I added beef into the pot, and then I went on to blend some chili pepper with onions. Now I'll be pouring the blended mixture into the pot. Give this a good stir and season with some salt and seasoning powder. Next is to add some stockfish, washed stockfish, and some dry catfish. You can use any dry fish of your choice. I use catfish here. Give this a gentle stir, then you cover and let it cook for 5 minutes. In a blender, guys, I'll be adding egusi with some onions and chili pepper. Blend this well. Then I added some salt with some seasoning, just a pinch of salt and seasoning with beef stock. Blend again to combine. This is what it looks like after blending. Now I'll be adding this into the pot. Cover and let it steam for 5 minutes. After 5 minutes, guys, I'll be going in with some water, enough water to cook the soup. Add the palm oil. Give this a gentle stir. While that is cooking, guys, in a blender I added some prawn, dry prawn. Blend it well until smooth. I prefer mine smooth. You can chop yours or you throw them in whole like that. So I blended my prawn and then went on to add achi. Achi is a soup thickener that we use in Igbo land. Some people use ede as their soup thickener, but for this recipe, I'm using achi. So I added achi with prawn together. This prevents it from getting lumps, and then went on to add some crayfish. Stir very well, guys, but be careful not to break the fish. Add some salt and seasoning. Now cover this and allow it to cook. Finally, guys, I added bitter leaf. I'm using dry bitter leaf soaked in hot water for about 20 to 30 minutes to soften them. It really helps to soften the bitter leaf. Add them into the pot, and guys, our soup is ready. This tastes really delicious, guys. Let me know in the comment section how you cook your own bitter leaf. Is this the same method you use, or are you team Ede, which is cocoyam? Thank you guys for watching. Thank you for always stopping by. If you are new here, my name is Chini. Welcome to my channel. Please don't forget to subscribe to my channel. Don't forget to like, share, and comment, guys. Thank you all for stopping by. I will see you again in my next video. Bye, guys.